A look through my window in week 49 of 2008. Britain's Queen Elizabeth is on her way to the Queen's speech during the historic state opening ceremony of Parliament in London. Large parts of Venice were flooded as heavy rains and strong winds lashed the lagoon city, with sea levels at their highest in 22 years. In the global economic crisis, Honda pulled out of Formula One, dealing a major blow to the sport and ending a dream for Japan's #2 car maker. Ex-US football star O.J. Simpson has been jailed for 15 years for the kidnap and armed robbery of 2 sports memorabilia dealers at a Las Vegas hotel. A US cruise ship carrying more than 1,000 passengers was chased and fired shots at by pirates off the coast of Somalia. The Nautica could escape at high speeds. And Amsterdam unveils plans to clean up the city's Old Town and Red Light district by halving the number of shop window brothels and legal marijuana cafes. But before we see us next week, let's go to the movies.
You should let